To all my loyal viewers, supporters, the ones that we are watching now say nothing, no worry, still as soon. Love on the same way. To all my new subscribers, my potential subscribers, what are you waiting for? Click that notification bell. Up, the kitchen will get started and we have some nice things are going on in there. And for all of the people them way,
love them belly.
yeah man, the show will start. Yeah, them sort of hidden up in a tree, but me know see a whole heap of Ackees up in there. You know? A whole heap of Ackees up in there. Them the way up in at the top. But now we can't get to reach to them if we don't climb the tree. But quite pretty sure there are lots and lots and lots of Ackees. Yeah, it's that time of year again when Ackees beer up and we have a whole heap. And we are going down in the bush so. And we are go roast some breadfruit and you know it go. We have some whole heap of sticker forward, whole heap of something. We are make up a fire and we are roast some breadfruit and we are go pick some Ackees and you know it go. Yeah man, backyard settings, man forward. Backyard settings, the whole heap of Ackees them. You know what I mean? Yeah. Right, that's how I make a fire and thing. I make up a fire eat too. We roast up a fire and the dog there we do a go and watch on. I will look for protection.
How much you want to roast go?
Hmm? Possibly we are roast what we need man. Cause sometimes them now to Ackees tree and our backyard settings.
Take long when we come down. Miss no man.
Swing them left and swing them right, you know? So I have like a gas in the back of this so I use and I must use the gas still. Really bush settings. Yeah, I sort out the breadfruit. Careful, you know, you that flammable. What you say? You say they even make it catch good, so I put them in there. Alright, so I just load them, let them go and simmer down. I go and clean it, Ackees them in the meantime.
Yeah.
Some of them, so I can't clean all of them. Yeah man, I run a set them man. All the dog there are going easy. If I give my feet already now. If I black mouth of feet already. You're not doing that video thing. Are everything in there? Man. See I control the lower one them now. Oh you control the lower one them. Oh Jesus. I want to put everything in there for you.
could plan like one little house, you know?
I know. Man, the most roast good, man. Inside and out.
Inside and out, you see it before, man.
We did missing in action when them done roast. Yeah. See there? Fire blaze out. All of them roast 2, 4, 6, 8 and 1, 9. Alright. Alright. Yeah, man, it's a good look. Yeah. So we did that for you, alright, you know? Yeah, man, so we roast up the breadfruit them this morning. Yeah. I clean up the ackee them, you know. Yeah, man. Do the right thing, you know? Yeah. All the ackee they have to clean up. I just clean them up one by one. I'll do some ackee and roast breadfruit later. Probably fry the breadfruits. You know what Annie I'm gonna do? Right now, just me. And them ackee are clean up right now. Lovely ackees. You know what I mean? Nice leaves are blue and they're just cool and backyard settings. Yeah. Yes, I do it.
All I see is
First
bush.
day of the new year. That's how I do it. Read the ackee tree and read the breadfruit tree.
In the wild, we are in the bushes of dangerous animals. Some of which will eat you alive. She's sleeping. We don't want to wake up the ferocious animal. After the guava tree. Oh, this name again. East Indian. East Indian is not East Indian. And then the only mango I eat, Julie. That was I'll show this area again. Custard apple. And the big wings and blow it down. Policeman out there. You see him? See him right there. Oh, back side. Hang on. Can't see him. Right. That's our papa tree. Apple tree. Oh. And born up a breadfruit them. A joke. Boy. Ow. Ackee tree number 1. Ackee tree. Ackee tree number 2. No, no, this. Me granny. So all these other look like ackee tree I come up. Oh, breadfruit tree. And this used to be a cherry tree. Used to be a cherry tree. I remember sitting it down here. I saw one day they get cherry on it, but yeah. And then whatever you made down this one. Okay, do the ackee tree. Oh! I don't know, banana planting something. Ay! Lizard. Listen to my hand. Ah! Oh shit. Ow! I don't remember if an iron tree, this is a lime tree. I remember. Papa tree. That one tree, I don't know what kind of tree that be. What's that? I'm like a jungle. Here's the last of it. I want guava trees. Aye. Oh, so that one. I think they might try bring back the orange, whatever, orange or grapefruit one after that tree that. Oh Lord. I think that's it. French time. Pine did the summer butter, so I guess we probably eat it long time. And Jimbalin, that's it. And that's the end of my tour.
Man, so I did a scraping procedure, yeah. Get rid of all of the outer crust of the breadfruit. Yeah.
Yeah, block me up.
So that's a part of the game, you know. You have to get black up because of the outer crust of the breadfruit that gets scraped off. With the fire burn, yeah. We're doing it for export. This is how we would normally do it. Roast it, scrape it, or some people would peel it, or some people would send it in the skin just the same, but scrape off the crust. So just gently brush off the crust and then you're gonna see the skin. See the skin there? Yeah. And I do this for all of them we have. Yes, this the rest of them there. See the ones that we do already. So that's it. Big and highly.
I smell burn up.
Been working from morning. This is how we peel the breadfruit. Put on my gloves. I don't want the black off of my hand catch it. And just go right round again. Just get rid of them parts, yeah. And this is how we do it. Peel breadfruit. Thanks again for tuning into this kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new content we drop. Yeah man. Alright, like, share, leave your comments below. Any questions or queries. Respect.